Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of my Revit tutorial series. Today we will explain the difference between a floor plan and a ceiling plan in Revit. Understanding this concept is very important for proper modeling and coordination in BIM projects. Let's get started. A floor A floor plan is a horizontal section view of a building taken at a certain height from the floor level. It shows all elements that are visible at the floor level. In a floor plan, we can see components such as walls, doors, windows, columns, and floor mounted equipments. In MEP projects, floor plans are mainly used to show routing of services like ducts, pipes, and cable trays at lower level. Floor plans are widely used for layout planning, dimensioning, and coordination with architectural elements. It helps engineers and designers understand the arrangement of spaces and elements at each level of the building. A ceiling plan, also known as a reflected ceiling plan, is a view that shows element located at the ceiling level. It's called a reflected ceiling plan because it represents the ceiling as if it is reflected onto a mirror placed on the floor. In a ceiling plan, we can see components such as light fixtures, diffusers, sprinklers, and ceiling mounted equipment. In MEP projects, ceiling plans are mainly used to show services like duct routing, lighting layout, and fire protection system. Ceiling plans are very important for coordination between different services to avoid clashes at ceiling level. Now, let us understand the key differences between floor plan and ceiling plan. First, based on view direction, a floor plan is viewed from the top looking downward, while a ceiling plan is viewed from the bottom looking upward. Second one, based on element shown. Floor plan show floor level element such as walls, doors, whereas ceiling plan show ceiling level element such as lights and diffusers. Third one, based on usage. Floor plans are used for layout and space planning, while ceiling plans are used for service coordination and installation at ceiling level. Fourth one, based on MEP usage, floor plans are used for routing services at lower levels, while ceiling plans are used for routing services above the ceiling. Understanding both plans is essential for avoiding clashes and ensuring proper coordination between different disciplines. In a real project, both floor plan and ceiling plans are used together. Engineer must coordinate between these views to ensure that services are properly placed without conflicts. For example, a duct shown in ceiling plan should not clash with a beam or lighting fixtures. Proper understanding of these views helps in creating accurate and efficient designs. To summarize, a floor plan shows elements at floor level, while a ceiling plan shows elements at ceiling level. Both are important for design, modeling, and coordination in BIM projects. Thank you for watching this. This is part 4 of my Revit tutorial series. In the next video, I will explain more practical concepts in Revit. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.